Morning students, it's your maths class 7th. Already we done question number 1 till 3 in the previous video. Okay, cell text. Now in this video I will explain question number 4. Question number 4 is goods worth 75,000 rupees were sold in a shop. What amount will the shopkeeper have to pay when the GST tax is 17%? According to the question, total amount 75,000 rupees good worth is given and 17% sell tax GST tax is given. So we first total amount we have and 17% convert into amount. Okay, so what amount will the shopkeeper have to pay to the government, okay, as a tax, as a GST tax? So according to the question, CP means ke GST tax 17%, it's a tax percent. SP means total selling price, goods worth, value of goods worth 75,000 rupees. According to the question, 17% of 75,000, 17% means 17 upon 100 multiplied by total amount, 20 cut with 20. Now 17 multiplied by 750 is left, then we multiply. After multiply 12,750 rupees. Okay, after multiply 12,750 is left. This amount would be the sell tax, GST tax of 17%. It means 17% we convert into amount. So the amount is 12,750 rupees shopkeeper have to pay to the government. Okay, so a statement 12,750 rupees the shopkeeper have to pay when the GST is 17%. Next question, question number 5. If the property tax was 15,000 rupees at the rate of 9%, find the value of the property. It means in this question, property tax is paid 15,000 rupees. The rate is given 9%, but the total value of the property is not given. So we will find the property value, total amount of the value property or value of the property. So according to the question, property tax paid 15,000 rupees, rate percent is given according to rate 9%, or value of the property we find it, so put the question mark. Now apply formula. The formula is property tax multiplied by 100 upon rate. Listen girl, in the previous sums we find the total, so we use 7% is rate is given or amount is given in the previous sum, so we use 7 upon 100, but in this part property tax is paid, so we reciprocal this part. Okay, 9 upon 100 we normally use 9 upon 100. In this part we use 100 upon 9. Okay, this part we reciprocal it. Why we reciprocal it? The property tax is paid. Okay, that's why we reciprocal the rate percent. Normally 9% is given, so we use 9 upon 100. So we find the rate percent, we find the rate tax, but in this part tax is given, we find the total amount, so this value we reciprocal it. That's why we write 100 in numerator place or rate write in denominator place. So whole part 9 upon 100, that's we reciprocal it. So property tax paid 15,000 rupees multiplied by 100 upon 9. Reduce it by 3 3 9 3 5 15 30 as it is, go up. Now further reduce it, even and odd number can't be reduced. Now multiply 1 2 3 4 5 0, direct multiply 5 1s are 5 upon 3. Now divide it. After divide, answer 1 66.666. If we divide it, 1,66,666 rupees 60 paisa would be the answer of total value of property, or answer of part 5. The property value is 166,666. It means 1,66,600 rupees would be the total value of the property. Correct? Done. Question number 5. Whole exercise done. What problem 1 till 5.